Hello YouTubers, Jack here, and today I'm going to do two things. I'm going to show you how to make your own texture pack and put it into your Minecraft, and how to get texture packs like ones that other people have made. But anyway, so you just go onto Google and you type up. You don't really need to type up anything, it should be in the description, but if it's not working for something, just go GIMP, and it should be one that looks a bit like this, and it will look like this. So, don't worry about viruses. Actually, depending on what kind of security you have, yeah, but I just got it and it's fine. That's how I made that texture pack. So what you do is you go into downloads, and it's all this, and then you will see it right here, and that will download the installer, and that won't take too long. And then you install it. Oh, that's just the thing. Yep, so it just downloads, and then you install it, and then you go to here, percent up data, percent. Now you'll be here, .minecraft, and then you will go into, I think it was bin, and you get all you highlight all the things. This is just to help you, and you put it into a folder. So the folder, I put it all into this folder, so if you pause the video and have a look at all of those, you need to put all of these in. Anyway, you go to the one you want to change. So come here and say if I wanted to change the container, I would go to GIMP. I'll go into GIMP. How are we going? Okay, 2 minutes and 50. Okay, so you come into here. This is when you've got GIMP, new. You got to go to the one you want. You got to go to appropriates. Then you got to go to details, and you got to get the width and the height. So both of them are 256. 256. And make sure to do this, otherwise it won't work. You go into advanced options and go fill with, and go to transparency, and there you go. If you heard that, that's just my dad sneezing. Dad, I'm making a video! Stop sneezing so loudly! Anyway, so you get it and you just drag it in, and where's the zoom in button? Here we are. Now you get this, the pencil. Sorry, I did something. Don't press something that makes it go into this little box here. Anyway, I go to this one. Other people go to other ones, but this one I go to. Then oh, actually no, you don't use that one. Use this one, and it gives you the smallest possible pixel you can get. But if you're lazy like me and you just want to get like a pattern over it, you go to this thing, and it will be all here. And you go pattern fill, choose the pattern you want. So if I wanted this one, I just do that and it's all like that, which is good. And if you just want it to be normal, you go to Fiji or whatever you want to call it. Where's the color? Where do you choose the color? Well, the color will be there somewhere. Oh yeah, it's here. You go into the color you want. Like if I wanted like a kind of grayish, or just a color like black. This is just an example. You can do like that and just keep filling it until you're happy. And that is how you do it. Oh yeah, no, that's not the end of it. So you go to File. You go, when you're done with it, you go to File, Save As. You can save it wherever, but I save it to my desktop. You go Select File Type. You just go like that because my desktop's not big enough. You scroll down to PNG image. Make sure to do this, otherwise it won't work. You go Save. You go to Export. Save. Yep. And it's right here, and you see there's a little bit of transparency. So now what you do is you open up app data again, or just drag it all into a file and go into that, and go into GUI or wherever you got it from, and it will say it. Well, it will have it right there. So you rename. You go here. This is just easy to do. You rename it container. Then when you're done with that, you drag it in and it will say move and replace. You press that, but I don't really want to make that my texture pack right now. So I'll come back to you with a texture that I want. Yeah, I just finished making the one that I like, so it should be in your desktop or wherever you saved it. You drag it into the folder or the app data folder, or the, yep, anyway. So you move to GUI, go to move and replace, and it should be there, and the other one will not be there. I've got to change the furnace too. Oh, and also if you have a container too, just, you don't really need it. It's just something happened to mine. But, and then when you're done making all of your texture pack, just get rid of some of that. When you're done with all of that, it should be in here. So you go on GUI and it's container right there. Okay. You gotta have WinRAR too, I think. Yeah, you gotta have WinRAR. You highlight it all. I don't know how to change. You might have problems with art and something else, but I can't really do art. I don't know how to change that, but anyway. Then you go to, which was it? Sorry, add to archive. It'll be all here, and I think you got to change it to zip. Yeah, you got to change it to zip. Okay, and you just got to wait, just a little. And when that's done, it should be right here in between version and my text. So you just rename that to anything you like. So like, I'm kidding. Dad has hiccups. I know it's just random, but anyway, you have to now go start. It's an app data. Go to roaming. Go to .minecraft. Was it TexturePacks? And Dad has hiccups, and it should drag it into there. you get out of that, load up your Minecraft. I'll just have a drink of this tea. Single player. Also, I'm making a custom map. Where's the pause button? Oh, wait, no. You gotta go into TexturePacks. And it should be, Dad has hiccups. But if that was too confusing, you just go open TexturePacks. You go to where you saved Dad has hiccups, or whatever you called it, and then you drag it into there. But anyway, so you click it, go done, go here, go into, there's a pause button. Yep, sorry about that, it's just I had the wrong texture pack on. So you go to Dad has hiccups, or whatever you saved it as, and there you go. That is how to do it. Sometimes it might stuff up and the item is just a bit below, but it just takes a little bit of, what do you call it? Sorry, I forget. Common sense. If you just go into GIMP, and usually the problem is that it's a bit high. So you see this yellow line. So you go to this one. Oh wait, no. It was like a finger kind of thing. Right, this was, yep. It's this one right here, right next to it. You get that, and you yep. So sorry about that, but you use this and you make a giant box. Sorry. Alright. Make a giant box, and then you move it around until you see that the yellow line is exactly with it, and it should. So there you go, and then you just save it and do all that again. So there you go, that is how to make your own texture pack. But if you're feeling lazy and you can't be stuffed, right, sorry, something's happening to my Minecraft. Yeah, so if you're lazy, yeah, don't save. You can go into anything that you want, but I just go into Minecraft forum. I go into forums. Let me have a sip of my tea. Okay. You go into forums, and you just gotta go down and find TexturePacks. Now it's all here. You might want to find a good one, depending on how good your laptop is or whatever you're using. So you just find a lava bucket, I think. Wait, let me just find one that's actually good. Yep, sorry about all the pauses. It's just I'm just having troubles. I didn't plan this out. I was just thinking it would be a great idea to show my YouTube friends. But anyway, so you go to here. Be careful of what you do. So don't well, there's ads and it's full of viruses and it says download now. So to stop that, well, to make sure if it's really the thing, you go to reload, and most of the time it will be a different ad and a different look to it. So then you know it's just ads full of viruses. Go on to advi. Don't click any of this. none of it. Just go to skip ad. And then it's right here. You go, don't click any of this stuff, as I said in most of my videos. Go to download. You wait. Oh, it's already downloaded. It didn't take long. Now you get out of that. I think you go to your Minecraft. Log in. Oh, what's this about? No, don't worry about that either. Sorry, I just have to pause it again to find out where I saved it to. Make sure, don't be an idiot like me and save it to the thing. Save it to your desktop. Okay, that didn't take long. I just found it. It was just like right there. Anyway, you go into TexturePacks. Open TexturePack. Now, strongest craft. And you drag it into here, and it's there. Get out of that. You get into this, and there's your texture pack. You're done. Single player. Let's go into a new world because I have no idea what kind of texture pack this is. But this texture pack looks really crap. I'm guessing that's dirt. It just makes everything look like grass, basically. But actually, it kind of looks a bit cool. Anyway, I'll have a play around with this, and that is how to basically just get a texture pack, really. Oh, the cover looks really weird. Interesting. Oh, what the? Anyway, so yeah, that is how to make, or how to get and make your own texture pack. Make sure to subscribe. There'll be a link to GIMP in the description, and also to that thing, Minecraft forums, and a village. So I'm just gonna check this out, but yeah, I'll see you later, YouTube.